how to make only admin send messages in WhatsApp. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make only admin send messages in WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Now, tap on any group where you want to change the settings. Then, tap on the group name at the top of the screen. Now scroll down and tap on Group Permissions. Here, turn the toggle off for Edit Group Settings so members can edit the group info. Then, turn the toggle off for Send Messages so only the admin can send messages in the group. Next, turn the toggle off for Add Other Members so members can add new people to the group. Now go back to the group and see that only the admin is allowed to send messages. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.